Hello, we are doing the standard algorithm 95 times 64. Forget about the 6, we're just going to worry about the 4, and we'll do 95 times 4, and then we'll do our second row. So we're going to go right to left, 4 times 5, and then 4 times 9. 4 times 5 is 20, carry the 2. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 2 is 38. Cross off everything you're finished with. You did the 4, we use that too. So 95 times 4 is 380. Great. Now you do the 6, but it's really a 60, so you'll put your 0 in. 6 times 5, and then 6 times 9. 6 times 5 is 30, carry the 3. 6 times 9 is 54, plus 3 is 57. And then you're going to add it all together. So 0 plus 0, 8 plus 0, 3 plus 7 is 10, and 5 plus 1 is 6, 6,080.